Show me loving. I need your loving. 'Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need your loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being hooked up to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You got me beside along my heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do.
First you need to download this Modern Lower Thirds pack, and you can download this pack under the description. Inside this pack you will get 15 Mogrt files. Now let's see how to use them inside the Premiere Pro. First open the Essential Graphics. Inside the Essential Graphics panel, click here, then click on Manage Additional Folders. Add now the Modern Lower Thirds folder. Select all the Modern Lower Thirds folder. Here you can see the preview of these lower thirds. First make a new sequence. Let's call it Modern Lower Thirds. Then add your footage to the timeline. Now select the lower thirds, then just drag and drop it to the timeline. Wow! To change the lower thirds text, color, size, etc., select this title, then click on Edit. In here you can customize everything, and it's very easy to use and customize. If you enjoy this lower thirds pack, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.